Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short and simple and beginner-friendly tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can type using your voice on Google Docs really quickly. So let us get started. It is actually mind-blowingly simple, guys. So in the first step, access the document you would like to start typing or fill with content. And what you want to do is, for example, let me, place the cursor here to type in my text here. So what you want to do is click on Tools here at the top and select voice typing from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-S on your keyboard. After that, Google will ask you for permission to use your microphone. And I already gave Google Docs the permission to use my microphone, so I can start typing using my voice. To do that, guys, once you have given Google Docs the permission to use your microphone, simply click on Click to Speak here and start narrating your text. So let me do that really quickly. For the sake of this tutorial, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. This is a test document. I'm typing using my voice. And there you go. As you can see, Google Docs will automatically turn your spoken word into a written one without making any mistakes, typos, or mistakes in terms of grammar or punctuation and style. So that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. You may also customize this voice recognition tool, for example, by changing the input language here, switching from English to your preferred language, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.